I made this pizza, so stick around and let's find out how this was made.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I think I see someone outside. Let me see there's someone out there. Hey, stranger. Do you have 10 minutes to spare?
Me?
Yeah, you.
I guess, yeah.
All right, come inside. Hey, stranger. So I wanted to know, would you be interested in making a pizza?
Yes.
Have you made a pizza before?
Nope.
All right, well, I'm going to show you.
Does a Lunchable count?
Possibly, but I'm going to show you some easy steps on how you can make some pizza at home too.
Okay.
So if you want to come around over here, so we have some toppings here. This is semolina. You have your dough, which I made personally.
Okay.
We got our toppings over there. We could just do a simple pizza. We could do cheese with some basil and some olive oil and some red sauce. This is the dough, and let me show you. We're going to get this dough ball here, and I'm going to show you with some semolina right on top. And with this thing here, if you want to grab that, you want to go ahead now and cut the edges. You go down here, here, and here to pull it apart.
This way? Hold on.
Yep.
This way.
And then right there, perfect. All right, and so now with that thing, with your spatula, I want you to go ahead and go underneath it all the way through.
Underneath.
And you could use this hand too to help it. All right, and then now flop it over into the semolina, into right here, the semolina.
Oh, too far.
Flip it over. There you go. You can put that back there, and then you could grab some semolina with your hand and just kind of sprinkle it on top. And then you could flip it over in there.
Flippy flip.
Yep. Now you could go ahead and take it out. And you could go to your work area over here. All right, and now so this area, what you want to do, you could go ahead and put it down. And you're using your hands just like this, kind of like, I guess like a V of some sort. And what you're doing, and let's make sure we got it round, you're starting from the bottom here and you're working your way this way. So you're just pushing and pushing and pushing all the way to you're making a little crust here. All right.
How big?
Yeah, so you could go heavier, like that, and so you could push down harder. Perfect. And now what you want to do is, and now you grab this part and you're flipping it over.
Flip?
Yep. And then you're doing the same thing. You're going all the way down. All right. Okay. And then now you could grab it from this area and you're turning it around again. Right there. And then the same thing. You're just pushing and building your crust. All right, so let's get your hands like that, because see, you're making this. So go ahead, and then now let's go ahead and do it this way, because you need to push the air this way. And so go like that. All right, and so I'm just going to pop that. And the same thing. Oh, yeah. All right, and so go ahead and push like hard. You want to be able to feel. There you go. So now you can hear that air.
Very gentle, sorry.
All right. Okay, so now go ahead and pick it up, like, yep, go ahead and pick it up, just like grabbing it like that, and you're going to be using your hands underneath it. And so now what you want to do is you want to be doing like this, and you're pulling and twisting, you're pulling, and you're kind of going in a circle.
That's a lot of coordination.
So you're good. And then now move around, there you go. And then kind of, yep, so you want to make your way around it. And there you go, keep stretching and pulling. Good enough. Then you could go ahead and put it down onto your work area.
You think? I don't know.
Yeah, let's take a, let me see. Maybe I'll get a little bit more for you here. So you're just pulling it. It's gonna be thick, but it's okay. All right. And so now you got your toppings here. And so you have your sauce and your cheese. You want to go ahead and go down with your sauce first. And so just get, yeah. And so maybe do half since it's a small pizza. Yeah, that'd be fine.
Okay.
All right, and then you're gonna go to the middle.
Yeah.
And then drop it, and then just go in and spoon it down. There you go. And then with the bottom, you're just using it, and there you go, perfect. Go all the way to the crust area. You want to go like to around there. Okay. Perfect. And now you could get your Parmesan if you want and do like a little bit of sprinkle on there.
How much am I putting on?
As much as you want.
Oh. You can't tell me that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then you got your cheese here, and so because it's a small pizza, you just want to do maybe just a little bit less than a handful. And then you just kind of go and sprinkle it all the way around.
You
could probably grab a little bit more, I would say. All right, and so you could do basil, olive oil, whatever else you want to do.
Can you just tear this?
Yeah, you can.
I'm not trained in,
That's fine.
basils.
Okay, now this is your pizza paddle or your pizza pill. So this is what you're going to use to get into the oven. So you're going to get your pizza from there to here and into the oven. So this is a pizza pill. So what we're going to do is we'll get a little bit of semolina and I help with this. And so you want to hold it with one hand, whichever hand you feel you're comfortable with.
Mm-hmm.
And then with this one, you're going to go ahead and you're going to grab it from underneath like this. And then at the same time, you're basically just scooping it underneath. So keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Pull it. You can pull it.
Pull,
Yep.
pull.
Yeah. So you can pull with that hand too, still. Yeah.
Like pull.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
So pull
Got
it.
it.
Okay. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Let me see it. So watch it with this. So it's like that.
Mm-hmm.
And so with this, you're basically just kind of scooping it, and then you're just pulling it, and then you're scooping it underneath. So we'll get this a little bit bigger. All right, so when you go into the oven, you're gonna basically do what we call like a shimmy. So you're just kind of, you're putting it in there, and then you're letting this part touch, and then you're just moving it, and then you're pulling it as you're doing it. And so that will then get it stuck, and then you're shimmying it off. So it'll be, once you get there, you'll
It's
kind of
like
get.
rocket science.
All right, so let's go ahead. This is the Gozney Dome. It's running off of wood right now, so we're looking pretty good. We got the flames in there. So now at this point, you want to go in to the empty area, and you're going to put it on, and then again, you're just going to shimmy it off and kind of be pulling it at the same time. So go ahead and go in.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit further. Okay, now go ahead. Now let it go and pull, 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 pull. Perfect. So we'll let it cook, and so this area is going to cook faster because it's closer to the flame.
Mm-hmm.
So we're watching this area to make sure that it's not burning. And I'll go ahead and get my pizza turning peel.
Oh,
you can
there's
already
different
see,
peels?
yeah. It's a placement peel, and then this is a pizza turning peel.
Oh.
So we're letting it, as you can see, it's really kind of browning. So I'm going to go ahead now and just get the peel underneath, and then I'll pull it. And you can see how this area is cooking pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
And we go back into the same area. I'm going to bring my other camera. And then we're going to go back in. So it didn't get to be a round circle, but it's okay. It'll still taste the same. And comment down below, everyone, what do you think? How do you think she did for her first time making a pizza? And so we can see that it's cooking pretty good. It cooks quick, so that's a good thing. When you're hungry. Right. So just like that, we are pretty close to finishing up here. Bottom is looking good. And I think this is a pizza that looks pretty good. All right, so here's the pizza that the stranger made. Check out the crust, a little thick over here, but overall pretty good. Good amount of cheese, basil. Let's take a look at this bottom. Bottom's looking nice and cooked all the way through. Sounds nice and crispy. Now the main test is going to be, how does it taste? Let's go ahead and get a cut of that. So go one this way, then one this way, and then one that way.
So 8? Oh my god.
Yeah. Everyone, I'll go ahead and down below, I'll go ahead and put down her socials where you can find her. This is my good friend Linda. She also has an Instagram page and YouTube where she vlogs and shows off restaurants. But this is, again, her first time ever making pizza. So we will go ahead and see how this pizza turns out. So far, she's doing pretty good. Cutting looks good.
No pressure.
Taste it and see.
Personally, I think I did a pretty great job. Not gonna lie.
For your first time, you think you did pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Well, everyone, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Type of videos teaching strangers how to make pizza. Again, she was the first time ever making a pizza, and hopefully I'm a good teacher. But again, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.